and love.
And love me for eternity. My dearest one, my darling dear, your mighty words astound me, but I've no need of mighty dear.